After a new upgrade was announced, Binance CEO is driving up the price of Shiba Inu. Now, experts in the business say that Shib prices will go up a lot very soon. This is something you need to see if you are interested in Shiba Inu or have Shib coins. What's new with the Shiba Inu coins? Tell me about the story about Binance and Shiba Inu. What will happen to the value of Shiba Inu because of all this? Today in the video, I'll answer these questions and tell you about all the new information about Shiba Inu that will make them more valuable. Because I did a lot of study for this video, please watch it all the way through so you don't miss anything. Oh, and before we go any further, this station gives away 1 million Shiba tokens every day. Following this channel, liking this video, and leaving a message with the hashtag Shiba Inu are all you need to do to enter. Have fun. Before we talk about our subject, let's look at the map and see what Shiba's price is doing on November 16th. Let's do it. Shiba Inu costs about 895 units right now. The price of Shib has gone up 4.4% in the last 24 hours, and $258 million worth of it has been traded in that time. The token is also the 19th most expensive cryptocurrency right now, with a market cap of over $5.2 billion. Please keep in mind that these prices may have changed by the time you watch this movie. This is not financial advice. Also, click on the link in the description to check out our brand new Telegram account. There is a micro market cap gem that will go through the roof in value. Join the free group to learn more about the project. The video for today is now ready. Shiba Inu rate goes up by 968% as Shibarium gets closer to a big milestone. According to the most current information from the Shiba Inu Explorer, the Shib army has spent millions of Shib coins in the last 24 hours, making the Shib burn rate go up by a large amount. For now, Shibarium is getting close to an important historical milestone in one of its main utility measures. The Shib burn rate goes up by almost 1,000%. Shiba Inu said that the burn rate of the second most valuable coin by market value since 15,919,048 Shib coins were sent to Inferno wallets. The value of Shiba Inu has gone up by more than 968%. Almost all of that Shib was lost in a single move 20 hours ago. 14,807,888 Shiba Inu were taken out of circulation by it. Most of these burns are done with the Layer 2 blockchain Shibarium. This is because many projects are building on it and releasing NFT, burning some of their profits as Shib to help lower the number of meme coins in circulation. Shibarium is almost at a very important point. A website called Shibarium Scan Explorer said that Shibarium is almost at a historic 4 million deals mark. At the moment, there have been 3,934,662 transactions. Today, there are 13,210 deals every day, up from 10,000 in October and staying there until recently. There are 1,265,685 Bitcoin wallet addresses linked to Shibarium as a whole. Would really appreciate it if you could hit the like button if you are still watching. It doesn't cost anything and helps the station a lot. But don't stop watching to find out what's new with Shiba Inu and what the coin's future might hold. Analysts think that the Shiba Inu could go up 2 times in December. Shiba Inu hasn't had a great year in 2023. Even though there was a big Layer 2 network start, Shib's price hasn't been able to get going up. Shib has only gone up about 4% since January of this year. Along with Shib, Dogecoin has also gone up by a little more than 4% in the same time frame. Because of this, meme coins don't seem to be as popular in 2023. Still, one expert thinks that the price of Shiba Inu could go up in December. Captain Fabric, a crypto expert, says that Shiba Inu has broken out of its major trend line and is now going through a retest. Captain Fabric says that a bullish rise up to 2x could happen by the middle of December if the retest works. If Shib's price went up 2 times as much as it is now, it would reach about 1,694 units. For Shib in 2023, this price would also be a new high. The well-known joke coin has had a hard time getting rid of the zero after the decimal point, which it did in May. Shib did get rid of the zero in August, but the token could not keep the price point. But stay tuned, because we're about to show you what else has been going on with the Shiba Inu coin and how this will affect the project's value in the short and long run. Satoshi Kusama of Shiba Inu talks about how Shibarium works with trades. Shibarium's growing range of uses. As the project's lead creator, Satoshi Kusama is looking into how to connect Shibarium, the project's Layer 2 network, to centralized exchanges. This new development could be a big step forward in the growth and use of Shibarium. The chance that CMEX will be integrated. Progressive talks are going on, As seen in Shiba Inu's Shibarium Telegram group, Kusama has said that she is still talking with new friends about the unification. This action points to a planned attempt to make Shibarium more useful and popular in the cryptocurrency world as a whole. Making things easier to find and adopt, Shibarium's connection to centralized platforms could make the network much more visible and open to a larger group of users. It may also make it easier to transfer and withdraw money using the Shib network. For example, Shibarium recently connected to the Bitcoin Tree cryptocurrency exchange in Turkey. Changes to Shiba Inu's price and network performance and growth of the network. Shibarium has shown steady growth and steadiness since it started, with only a brief hiccup caused by high traffic. Shibarium says that there have been over 1.2 million addresses and almost 4 million transactions on the network so far. More than 1.6 million blocks have also been made. Possible effect on prices. Adding Shibarium to centralized exchanges could make more people use and accept Shib's network. This increased use and exposure could lead to more people adopting Shiba Inus, which would be good for their price. The token's performance has slowed down since its all-time high, but it is still a popular asset in the crypto community. Its rise in 2021 was truly amazing. Shiba Inu's future. A look ahead. Shiba Inu's plan to connect Shibarium to centralized platforms shows that the project wants to grow its impact and usefulness in the cryptocurrency world. This integration could be a big reason why more people use the Shibarium network, which could have a good effect on the price and availability of Shiba Inus on the market. In the end, the possibility of Shibarium being added to centralized trades is a big step forward for Shiba Inus. It shows not only how the project has changed over time, but also how people are becoming more interested in using layer 2 solutions to make blockchain networks more efficient and scalable. As Shibarium grows, its integration with big exchanges could start a new phase of growth and adoption in the world of cryptocurrencies. It's now time for the video's main story. A Shiba Inu move worth $144 billion was seen on Binance. More information. People who are interested in cryptocurrencies are talking about a big deal involving Shiba Inu coins. There was a huge movement on Binance of $144 billion Shib, which is worth about $1.293 million. This has led to a lot of speculation about what the move was meant to do and how it might affect the price of the token. The deal took place at a time when Shib's price has been very stable, staying where it is despite changes in the market as a whole. This shift could mean that the token holder is making a number of strategic moves, moving assets between accounts to improve security, getting ready for a big sale, or even moving tokens for staking or providing liquidity in decentralized finance protocols are just some of the things that can happen. In terms of price action, Shib is currently going through a time of consolidation after a recent rally. Shib is trading above a key support level, as shown on the chart. The 200-day exponential moving average is working as dynamic support that could help the price rise again. The amount of trading has stayed the same, and the relative strength index is currently in a neutral zone, which means it is neither overvalued nor oversold. This means that the rally might go on if market mood stays positive and buyers keep putting pressure on prices. Traders and experts are also on the lookout for signs that the trend might be changing. If the tokens are moved to an exchange